2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I remove my Gel X at home. It's super easy, quick, and it will not damage your nails. As you could tell, my natural nails look amazing, nice and strong, and they're not paper thin like when you remove acrylic or any type of other enhancements. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I do this in 15 minutes or less. Okay, so here are my nails. These are about, I think, 3 weeks old. The first thing I do is cut off the length. This will save time because you're not taking off the nail polish from the entire nail, just, a half of the nail. So after I do that, I'll go ahead and grab my e-file. This is from Coupa and my extra coarse bits, and I got this from Amazon. And I'm going to lock everything in place, and I'm going to start removing the nail polish from the from the Gel X. This will speed up the removal process. So as you can tell, I'm putting my pinky down onto something. It could be your hand, a table, something. You just need some type of support so you're not shaking and you're unstable. You want to make sure you're nice and stable and steady. And then I'm going to start off with the cuticle and then going around the nail plate and just straight up and down or side to side, depending on which hand I'm working on and which finger. Make sure you move. You keep moving the e-file and you don't stay in one spot, because then you will get heat spikes and you don't want that for yourself or for your clients. So make sure you keep moving the nail bit and do not stay in one place. Okay, so I'm going to grab my dishes right here, and inside of it I put acetone, and on the bottom there's a white part which is like a bowl, and I warm up some water in the microwave. Heat will accelerate the acetone. So basically acetone works better when it's warmed up, and it works a lot faster. So make sure you warm up your acetone, or you wrap your hands up in some type of towel or something if you're using the cotton ball and aluminum foil method. Here I'm just soaking it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm using this cuticle pusher to remove the extend gel and the Gel X extension tips. As you can tell, they come off super easy. If you feel any type of resistance, make sure you remove as much as you can and then soak them again for another 3 to 5 minutes. But the nails should come off so simple. There should be no tugging, no pulling. It looks like I'm doing it a little bit rougher here because I sped up the video, but this did not hurt at all. The nails came off super easy. Just make sure, like I said, if you warm up the acetone some type of way by either using warm water or wrapping up your hands in a towel, like in a warm towel, it will definitely speed up the process for you. All right, so that's how they're looking. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a buffer, and I'm going to buff out any remaining extend gels that might still be on the nail. The good thing with Gel X, you don't have to remove all the gel. As long as it's a smoother, surface, you don't have any big lumps stuck to the nails, then you should be good to go. After I remove that with the buffer, I'm going to take I'm going to take a file, and I'm going to shape my nails and just, get them to the desired shape that I want. You could also use this file to remove any imperfections that are on top of the nail. And then from there, you will either, wash your hands and put cuticle oil, or you will continue you prepping to do a new set of Gel X. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As you could tell, the removal process is super easy. And here are my nails after I washed them and I put a little bit of lotion on my hands. They're nice and hydrated. They're nice and strong. They're not brittle or paper thin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want from me, and I'll get that going for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.